Hey everyone, Layla here. Today's video I am continuing my character creation series with how to draw lips. So I start off with two little dots on either side of her nose, and I kind of connect with a middle line, and then a bottom line and a top hump, two little humps meeting in the middle for her upper lip. And that's just the sketch, obviously. And then I go ahead, I lighten it, and I go back in with my brush liner. And again, loosely following your sketch. And I always make sure I have those little dots kind of significant so that it kind of gives like this youthful, cheeky kind of look. And I go in and I make sure the middle of the lip is darkened and thicker, just to show a good separation between her upper lip and her bottom lip. And then I go ahead and I go over the sketch of her upper lip and her bottom lip. I then just go in and start editing and fixing any places that I may have messed up. I don't usually do the copy paste method with this one. I guess maybe it's because I really enjoy doing both sides of the lips, but that's not to say I don't do it ever. I do sometimes. So let's go ahead and get into the side view. With this, I connect it to the nose. I go out and I create kind of like a B kind of symbol or look. The upper one being her upper lip, the bottom being her bottom lip. And then in the middle, I go ahead and I finish with, the separation of her lips. And then I do like a side piece. So even if it's at an angle, you'll still see a little bit of the other side of her lip. And then I just do some touch-ups on places that I don't like the look of. And I finish with the bottom lip, do a little bit of erasing, a little bit of touching up. And then I should be going now, lightening the sketch. And then I go in and I start inking. And just following loosely, going ahead, and I'm doing that, little dot again so that it's nice and significant. Again, creating that corner of the mouth to make her look, sort of youthful, cheeky. And then doing the bottom, underside, the upper, and then that's it. So I zoom out just to make sure everything looks good. And it does. I enjoy the way that I created both of them. And honestly, just keep tweaking it if it doesn't look exactly as you want it to. And that's it for today's tutorial. So if you like what you see, comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video where I continue with finishing the face and getting the pose in. All right, guys. Thanks. Bye.